So, get ready for the final. I have some energy for this match because we start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to the Croft Division Finals here on this division. With these rules, Red Alliance takes a one-match advantage. If they take it home, they go to the Michiana Grand Finals. 22-4-89 on the Blue Alliance. That's Galactic Narwhal Chicken Effect from Massachusetts, churning artifacts based on the runoff from that ramp. They return back to the far launch zone. 1, 2, 3 go up. Not all staying on track though. Route -1 from Springdale, Arkansas, firing as well, loading up as Autonomous winds down.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
127-94 is the lead for the Red Alliance #1. Now Meta Infinity from that Red Alliance, looking to churn artifacts out of the gate, keeping them on board to avoid any overflow, going to power the Blue Alliance. Ice Robotics loading up artifacts from the runoff of the Blue Alliance. Back down to the Red Alliance loading zone. 1, 2, 3 go up from Ice, cycling it back and forth. That loading zone ready to go for them. Route -1 opens up the gate, takes them on board. Ice loading up artifacts right there as well. Red Alliance now retains about a 40-point lead, 236-198 as we move on down below minute 90, a minute 30 left to go in match play. See, like these alliances still sticking to the one close, one far strategy, but look how Red is doing what they can to prevent extra artifacts flowing out. But here comes some more. Meta Infinity cleans them up though. Galactic Narwhal Chicken Effect short on supplies. This starving strategy could help Rez keep a lead and lock down their chance for a finalist appearance here at the Michiana Premier event. 55 seconds to go. Red Alliance already up to 350. Still trying to churn through artifacts and keep on going. 11-3-29 in the loading zone. They load up with the artifacts that were left for them, taking 3 more, shoving it back down to that far launch zone. Springdale, Arkansas opens up the gate. It is full of artifacts. They roll off, making sure that Alliance can stay up to date with full scoring ability, but Ice back with the steals. 30 seconds left to go. Red Alliance already breaking their qualification match peak of 431 non-penalized, if that is a non-penalized score, as we hit endgame. 477 on the board, 405 for Blue. Springdale, Arkansas's team Route -1, carrying artifacts, swinging around the field, turret aimed high. 1, 2, 3 for that Alliance. 6 seconds to go. Red Alliance above 500 points. Ice going for their full park tip. Meta Infinity joining with a partial as time.
Second match, scoring the world. Red Alliance wins with the 568 points, and we got the Alliance that will go to event finals. Congrats also to the Alliance #2.